So I'm gonna unbox the pin plush. So here it is, right here. Yeah. So gonna like open it. Wow. I can't believe I have a pin now. Now all my BFDI plushes that were supposed to arrived now. This was the last one that needed to arrive. Yeah, okay. I am opening it. Wow. There it is, the pin plush. Go and focus. There we go. Oh wow. So this, I guess this is one of the original ones. So it's kind of low quality. Well, more low quality than the rest of them. Yeah, I feel in the arms it's a little, and the legs are different. Oh well. At least they're better than the Rocky Plush's legs. Well, no, are they? I don't know. They're like the same. Well, I don't own the Rocky Plush, but a friend of mine does. Yeah, pin the tag. Here's the other tag. Oh wow, they put this tag on backwards. Why fries? Whatever. Yeah. And this is the pin plush. I mean, maybe I'll have to like straighten things on it out or something. Straighten it out. Parts of it, but yeah, wow, I can't believe I have the pin plush now. You know, it has cardboard in it, just like the other BFDI plushes that have cardboard in them to keep it shape are Rocky and Ruby. Rocky, Ruby, and Pin have the cardboard to keep it shape. Yeah, pin plush.